Struggling with a crank no start or electrical glitches in your 2003 Silverado? Here is how to replace your ignition switch. Before you touch a single screw, we need to focus on safety. Disconnect your negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes to ensure the airbag system is fully powered down. Gather a 7mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching your dash panels. Remove the steering column cover and the knee bolster panel to expose the ignition switch wiring harness. Doing this yourself saves you over $100 in shop labor costs alone. Don't confuse the electrical switch with the mechanical lock cylinder. They are two different components. When installing the new switch, make sure the alignment tabs seat perfectly before securing the mounting screws. If the truck still fails to start after installation, check your ignition relay and fuses next. Reconnect your battery, test the ignition, and you are ready to drive. Subscribe for more Silverado fixes.